process of education can never be completed without the combination of the best teaching techniques, the best faculties, and the best environment. I strongly believe that true education is not just about textbooks and examination. It's about shaping the character, building the confidence, and nurturing the young minds with true wisdom and care. At our school, we focus on innovative teaching methods, hands-on experiences, and lot of activities. As we know that every child is unique, hence we are here to support, to discover their talents, strengths, and their dreams. Education is a journey of growth in inquiry and transformation. Together with the parents, we are completing this journey successfully. Hence, we are inviting our parents multiple times at the campus to evaluate their kids and observe them. Dear parents, thank you for your support and understanding.
Good morning everyone, this is Hema. I am the senior coordinator. I have a 14 years experience. In CBSE, this is the 5th year. My qualification is MA and I completed NTT course. Hello everyone, this is Jeevita here. I've completed my BCom and BA and it's been like 3 years I'm traveling with St. Philomena Central School and I'm working as an office coordinator. I support the institution. We make sure that the students are getting the quality education and the parents are getting a good service. We are planning for the long journey, so we need your wishes and blessings to grow the institution to the highest. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Atika, the head of the Department of Science. I'm handling grade 6, 7, 8. I have a degree in Masters in Biochemistry with the PG Diploma in Clinical Research and Clinical Data Management. I love students when we visualize things and picturize things. So my methodology is visualization and picturization.
Hello everyone, this is Nirmi from St. Philomena's Institution. I'm the English HOD of this institution and I have completed my graduation and BA from Avinash Lingam University. I have total of 5 years of experience in teaching and this is my second year in St. Philomena's Central School. My teaching focuses on interactive learning and student-centered learning environment.
This is Pooja Tripathi. I am HOD of Hindi department. My qualification is BSc B.Ed. I have total teaching experience is 6 years and now this is my 3rd year in St. Philomena School. As a teacher, मेरा methodology है बच्चों के साथ involve होना, बच्चों को activity कराना और उन्हें सही तरीके से हिंदी पढ़ाना.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭೋದಯ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ವನಜಾಕ್ಷಿ. ನಾನು ಸಂತ ಫಿಲೋಮಿನಾ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ HOD ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಹತೆ BA DEd. ನಾನು 9 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಅನುಭವವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದಿರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನಾನು 5 ರಿಂದ 8ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಬೋಧಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Hello everyone. Myself, Kathakali Chattopadhyay, has been appointed as a computer teacher for St. Philomena Central School, Bangalore. I have completed my BCA and BEd from West Bengal University of Calcutta, and I have 15 years of experience in schooling, also in private teaching.
This is Junaid Mirza. I am the HOD of Maths Department and I completed my graduation and pursuing BEd. So I am fresher here in this campus and I believe in consistent learning. With the correct form, students can learn anything if they are consistent. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Kavita. I have completed MSc MPhil in Mathematics. I have 3 years experience in teaching. I am going to continue to 2nd year at St. Philomena Central 8. My belief, Maths is not difficult when it is explained step by steps in real life examples.
Hi, this is Vishay Sharma, belonging to Tripura, India. I completed graduation and masters in English literature, and apart from that I accomplished a certification course in Spanish language and culture and currently pursuing BEd too. Well, I have 3 years of teaching experiences, though I'll be joining in Philomena School as fresher and will be taking Spanish classes in coming sessions of this year. Well, I can speak in 8 Indian languages and I do believe that learning a new language makes our brain sharper and vision wider. So if you want to grow in this globally competitive world, do learn more languages beyond your mother tongue. So, muchas gracias por su tiempo. Adios.
Hi, this is Pratyusha. I'm primary science teacher. My qualification is BSc B.Ed. I have 5 years of teaching experience. Now this is my 2nd year in St. Philomena's Institution.
Hi, I'm Sadika Zaidi. I am social studies teacher and I have completed my BCom Bachelor of Commerce and currently I am pursuing BA. And this is my 2nd year in St. Philomena Central CBSE School. Okay.
This is Vedavati, and I am primary computer teacher in St. Philomena School, and I have 2 years of experience in teaching, and this is my second year of teaching. I have completed my MBA and pursuing B.Ed.
Hi everyone, my name is Maruti. I am physical education teacher in St. Philomena Central School, Sarjapura. I have completed BPD and APD. This is my second year in St. Philomena. ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು. ಹಾಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಹಾಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯ ದೇಹ ದಾಢ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ಧರಿಸಲು ನಾನು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ನೀಡಲು ನಾನು ಬಯಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಎವ್ರಿವನ್.
Ohio everyone, this is Vikas, the karate master of St. Philomena CBSE, and my style is Sekai Seatto Goju-ryo, and I am Black Dan 1, and this is my second year in St. Philomena CBSE. I have completed 1 year, and I am art teacher too. And this year we are planning to take our students to international tournaments.
Hi, this is Rutati here. I'm the culture coordinator and a dance teacher of St. Philomena Central School CBSE, and also I'm handling Hindi for grade 1 and 2. I have completed my graduation in education, and I specialized in Kathak dance. Teaching and promoting cultural arts is my passion. Thank you.
Hi, this is Paramita here. I am a kindergarten mother teacher. I have completed my BSc in science. I have total 3-year experience, 2 years in teaching field. This is my first year in St. Philomena's.
Hi, this is Shilpa. I have done my MA in English and B.Ed. I have 4 years experience in teaching. This is my 3rd year in St. Philomena's, and I'm taking primary classes. Thank you.
Hi, I am Monira. I am a kindergarten mother teacher and dance teacher also. As a dance teacher, I have experience 4 years. Thank you.
Hi, this is Latasha. I am the mother teacher of kindergarten. I had completed my BCom, B.Ed and PGDCA. This is my 3rd year in St. Philomena Central School. I had total 3 years of teaching experience. Thank you.
Hi, I am Shatovisha Ash. I am a science teacher. I have done Masters in Microbiology and B.Ed in Life Science. Apart from this, I have done Visharad in Bharatanatyam and Indian classical music. I have total 3 years of teaching experience. This is my first year in St. Philomena's Central School.
Hi, this is Tanuja N. I'm the kindergarten mother teacher. I have completed BCom and I'm pursuing NTT course. I have completed 1 year in St. Philomena Central School, and this is my second year.
Hi, this is Sumaya. I am the kindergarten mother teacher. I have done NTT and BA. I have 5 years experience. This is second year in St. Philomena Central School.
I am Rekha here. I am mother teacher. I have 7+ years experience in kindergarten. My qualification is BCom and NTT course also. In kindergarten, I have 7+ years experience. This is my 3rd year running in St. Philomena Central School.
This is Fatima. I am a Kannada teacher. I completed BA and NTT. This is second year in St. Philomena Central School.
Hello everyone, this is Akash. I am handling school transport operation. My responsibility is to ensure every kid should travel every day safely, comfortably and on the time every day. I manage drivers and cleaner coordination and vehicle safety check. For me, transportation is not about bus and roads. For me, it's safety of every children and the trust of every parents. Thank you. And this is our team.